Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Crucial Pro 96GB DDR5 RAM kit. This kit comes with two 48GB sticks, running at a speed of 5,600 MHz, but it's also designed to downclock to 5,200 MHz or 4,800 MHz if needed, offering flexibility for different systems. First impressions are solid. The modules feel well built, and Crucial's reputation for quality definitely shines through. This RAM is designed for desktops, using the standard UDIM 288-pin configuration. What's particularly interesting is its compatibility. Crucial specifically highlights that this kit is optimized for 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core processors, as well as AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. It supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, which is fantastic because it simplifies the overclocking process, regardless of your platform. The real question is, who is this RAM for? 96GB is a substantial amount of memory. It's definitely overkill for basic tasks like browsing the web or writing emails. However, if you're a content creator working with large video files, a gamer who likes to run multiple applications in the background, or someone who frequently uses memory-intensive applications like virtual machines, then this kit could be a game changer. The performance boost is noticeable. Multitasking becomes incredibly smooth, and system responsiveness is significantly improved. When testing with demanding games, the higher memory capacity allowed for smoother frame rates, especially in scenarios where the system was previously bottlenecked by RAM. The ability to power through heavy workloads is a major advantage. Crucial emphasizes the quality of their memory, mentioning rigorous testing at both the component and module levels. This is reassuring, especially when investing in a high-capacity kit like this. It operates at 1.1V, which is standard for DDR5, and the 2RX8 rank and configuration should provide good compatibility with a wide range of motherboards. It is non-ECC memory. Overall, the Crucial Pro 96GB DDR5 RAM kit is a premium option for users who demand the best performance from their systems. While it might not be necessary for everyone, those who can take advantage of the increased memory capacity will find it to be a worthwhile investment. The compatibility with both Intel and AMD platforms, combined with the ease of overclocking, makes it a versatile choice for high-end desktop builds.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.